India has a rich culture, with many temples, hills and sanctuaries. It is well known for its majestic tourist places, hills, rivers, plateaus, plains, beaches, deltas and deserts, many luxurious hotels and resorts, picturesque nature sites, and whether it is Ajanta Ellora caves or Taj Mahal, the love monument which comes under 7 wonders of world. From culture to traditions to history to nature to adventure to man-made beauties, it has the most amazing array of travel products and destinations to offer to the tourists throughout the world. You can visit India to find yourself in the mountains of Himalayas and to be mesmerized by the ancient temples. Welcome to our channel Around the World with Dua Mumtaz. Today we are going to share a history of Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swamy Temple, or simply known as Yadagiri or Yadagirigutta Temple, also known as Pancha Narasimha Kshetram and Rishi Aradhana Kshetram, situated on a hillock in the small town of Yadagirigutta in the Yadadri Bhuvanagiri district of the Indian state of Telangana. If you like our informative video, please click the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you will receive timely notification whenever we uploaded new videos. Let's get started. Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swamy Temple is a Hindu temple. The temple is an abode of Narasimha, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. In 2016, a large expansion and rebuilding of the temple began and completed by March 2022. According to Skanda Purana, Yada Maharishi, son of venerated Maharshi Rishyasringa, performed penance here to Lord Vishnu as Narasimha. Being pleased with his penance, Lord appeared before him and manifested himself in 5 forms: Jwaalaa Narasimha, Gandabheranda Narasimha, Yogananda Narasimha, Ugra Narasimha and Lakshmi Narasimha. Yada Maharishi begged Narasimha to remain on the hill in these forms. For this reason, the Lakshmi-Narasimhadeva temple on the hilltop has deities of Narasimha in all 5 forms embedded in stone in the main cave. Historically, the temple has followed the Thenkalai tradition of the Vaishnava Agama Shastras as followed in South India. The temple is in a cave about 12 feet high by 30 feet long, located in back of the temple hall by the rear pillar. One can take a stairway down into the chamber and then toward the back. Jwaalaa Narasimha is in the shape of serpent, while Yogananda Narasimha appears sitting in meditation in yoga pose. Also can see silver deities of Lakshmi Narasimha, which are quite striking in appearance and lends presence of seeing them. To the right of the temple main door is the Hanuman Temple. Can see a long horizontal gap in the rock just below Hanuman. This is said to be where Gandabheranda Narasimha manifested. This is a very popular temple. It is said that any wish of a sincere devotee visiting this temple will be fulfilled. The Sanctum Sanctorum or Garbhagriha is located in a cave, under a huge slating rock, which covers half the abode. A new temple is being built at the old temple site. For use until the new temple is completed, a temporary temple, Balaling, was built. The entire Yadadri temple, renovated with the Krishna Sila black stone, is going to become known for its uniqueness. The new temple has been inaugurated on the 28th of March 2022 by Chief Minister of Telangana K. Chandrasekhar Rao. The 7th Nizam of Hyderabad, Mir Osman Ali Khan, during his time had passed a grant of 82,825 rupees to this temple. The Chief Minister of Telangana, K. Chandrasekhar Rao, initiated the renovation of the temple, and approved a final layout. Major renovation of the temple is being taken up with a budget of rupees 1800 crores. The work started in 2016 and is being executed and completed in March 2022 by Yadadri Temple Development Authority (YTDA). Temple owned 39 kilos of gold and 1,753 tons of silver for lining the gopurams and walls in the temple. The centuries-old practice of using lime mortar to join different stone parts is being used. The YTDA acquired around 1,900 acres by spending rupees 300 crores. He also constructed houses near Vishnu Gundam, a place for taking bath. The sections of the temple include the main temple, Mukha Mandapam, 7 gopurams means domes with wooden roofs, Ratapitham, Swami Veri Udhyana Vanam, Kalyana Mandapam, Satram etc. The pillars of 12 alvars, those immersed in God in the main temple, is a significant feature. The temple entrance arch will depict Mahabhuta, the 5 elements. There is Vishnu Gundam. It is also proved that when anyone take bath, all bad things are washed away from them. The architecture of the temple is based on Agama Shastra. The temple is built entirely in stone. The temple was earlier built on 2 acres. After demolishing all structures on the temple hillock, the base for the temple is now 14 acres. The principal film set designer is Anand Sai and lead architect P. Madhusudhan, chosen for their understanding of the ancient designs based on Silpa and Agama principles. The entire temple is built in stone. The stone designs in Yadadri were provided by the chief sthapati of the temple, Sundararajan Srinivasan. 3 types of stones are being used for the temple, like Krishna Sila, also known as Purusha Sila, for presiding deities in the sanctum sanctorum, Sri Sila for deities of goddesses, and Napunsaka Sila used for flooring, walls etc. Black granite stone is also used, based on the temple architecture of the Kakatiya dynasty in Telangana. The black granite stone has tiny pores, and it becomes strong and hard when milk, curd, oil and other liquids get into those pores, according to learned Shilipi sculpture experts. Yadagirigutta is well connected by both rail and road. It is about 55 kilometers from Uppal, a major suburb of Hyderabad, and 65 kilometers from Mahatma Gandhi bus station at Hyderabad. A new bus stand is built on a 15 acres as a part of new temple development. The proposed Hyderabad Regional Ring Road passes through Yadagirigutta. The nearest railway stations are Raigiri about 5 kilometers away and Bhuvanagiri, a major town of Hyderabad metropolitan region, about 13 kilometers away. Raigir railway station has been renamed as Yadadri by South Central Railway in line with the new nomenclature of the temple town. The Hyderabad MMTS Phase 2 was planned to be extended from Ghatkesar to Raigir station, which is 5 kilometers from Yadagirigutta. A metro train is proposed between Uppal and Yadagirigutta. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see on our next video and will explore Padmavati Temple. The temple is situated in Tiruchenur, Tirupati in Tirupati district of Andhra Pradesh, India.